Here's how to apply BioAdvanced Season-Long Lawn Weed Killer Plus Preventer for southern lawns. First, only use Lawn Weed Killer Plus Preventer on established lawns, such as Bermuda, centipede grass, zoysia, and St. Augustine, including Floratam. Then, measure your yard using length times width. The 10-pound bag treats up to 4,000 square feet. Next, make sure your lawn is actively growing and has been mowed 2 times. Then, you're ready to apply. Remember to check the temperature. Only apply when it's between 50 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Find your spreader settings on the back of the bag, set your spreader, and add granules. Then, apply to your lawn, making parallel passes. Lawn Weed Killer Plus Preventer for southern lawns kills existing weeds. Plus, prevents new weeds and crabgrass for up to 6 months. BioAdvanced. Get more from the blue bag.